Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use TubeBuddy for YouTube. So first you have to go to your Chrome web store. Okay, type Chrome web store, click this one, and if you see this search icon right here, you have to type TubeBuddy. Click the very first link or tool that you can see here, tap this one. Now tap on Add to Chrome, wait for a couple of seconds, and then tap on Add Extensions. Now, you have to go to the upper part or right side. Then you should see that it is now starting to download. Once done, you can now go to extensions and then pin this YouTube buddy here. Now here you can sign in to your account, or you could also go to your YouTube studio. You will see the TubeBuddy there and you can sign in or log into your account. So if I go to my YouTube studio, I can see this sign in to TubeBuddy, and then I'm going to give access to this tool. And then once done, then I should see this. And now I'm ready to use this tool. I can upload a new video or just edit any content right here and then tap TubeBuddy. It will generate tags for me. So let's just say I'm going to upload a new video right here. For example, a static view. And then since I have connected or added YouTube Buddy to my YouTube studio, I can go down here and I should see that TubeBuddy is now starting to generate some tags for me. And all I need to do is to wait. So now YouTube Buddy will show me this sample tags, which I can add to my tag section. And as you can see, in order for me to get more tags from YouTube Buddy, I need to upgrade my plan. So all you have to do is tap on upgrade now and then follow the instruction. But don't worry, everything is worth it. And that's how easy it is to use TubeBuddy for YouTube. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.